We only have one planet, and I would like to leave it in a better condition for my children and for my grandchildren. We love to be out on the water, love to kayak and paddleboard and swim. We love to hike and be outside as much as we can. My name is Tricia Schmallenberg. I'm a professional engineer, and I'm the environment manager at Maple Leaf Agri-Farms. We all know that producing food and agriculture has an impact on the environment, and we're trying to do our best to reduce that impact and reduce our carbon emissions.
When we looked at what issues face society today, food insecurity, climate change, animal welfare, we realized that we're the kind of company that can address those societal issues in a very purposeful way. That's what led us to create our purpose, Raise the Good in Food. So we set science-based targets for greenhouse gas emissions aligned to the Paris Climate Accord. What that means is that Maple Leaf will need to reduce its absolute greenhouse gas emissions by 30% by 2030. Being carbon neutral means we avoid and reduce as many greenhouse gas emissions as we can. Then we calculate our unavoidable greenhouse gas emissions and invest in environmental projects that offset the amount of emissions that we can't reduce. So we source renewable energy from wind farms in St. Leon and St. Joseph, Manitoba, and we've been doing that for years. 100%
of the manure that is produced at Maple Leaf Agri-Farms is returned to the land as natural organic fertilizer. In Manitoba, we have some of the most strict environmental regulations in North America. We have to adhere to and report into the province on when and where we apply manure. We also have to adhere to setback variances to make sure that we're not getting too close to the property boundary or to any water sources.
So at the barn level, we've replaced the lighting and the fans to the most efficient options. And we also build beyond the building codes to be the most efficient. We made a commitment to move towards 100% of open sow housing for our animals. We've also invested in electronic sow feeders, which reduces spoils and waste of the feed. That makes our system very, very efficient. So since 2014, we've reduced our water use to by the equivalent of about 18,000 Olympic swimming pools, and our energy use equivalent to about taking 10,000 cars off the road. So no matter what area of our business, we're constantly avoiding and reducing the amount of activities that generate a lot of carbon.
There are lots of exciting things happening at the company level, but there are green initiatives happening at the grassroots level as well. Many of the staff at our sites have started community gardens, and we encourage them to take what they need from the gardens and donate the rest to food banks.
So we're always encouraging team members to live and work more sustainably, encouraging them and educating them to recycle and compost at home, reduce energy use at work, a whole bunch of initiatives that they can utilize to be more environmentally friendly.
I am really enthusiastic about the future of agriculture in Manitoba. There's a lot of sustainability initiatives, and farmers have been stewards of the land for decades, and so combining those sustainability initiatives with their knowledge of the land will make for a great future in agriculture.